Hello everyone. Today we are going to completely break down a secret. Those analyst influencers with massive followings in the cryptocurrency field. What is really behind the professional market analysis content they produce every day? Actually, behind their seemingly mysterious information flow lies a very clear data processing logic. Today, I am going to teach you how to use the FMZ platform's workflow visualization nodes to build your own professional trading analysis system. This workflow is entirely built using FMZ Workflow's visualization nodes. The core concept is very clear. First perform data acquisition, then conduct technical analysis and sentiment analysis, then have AI perform integrated analysis, and finally achieve automated push notifications. The entire process is completed through visual node configuration, so even non-technical personnel can easily build a professional trading analysis system. Let us look at its overall architecture. The biggest feature of this system is its simplicity and efficiency. First, it is completely visual operation. You can build complex analysis logic through simple drag and drop. Second, it adopts modular design where each function is an independent node that can be flexibly combined like building blocks. More importantly, even if you lack professional trading knowledge, AI can help you conduct objective technical analysis and sentiment judgment, providing professional trading advice. Everything from data collection to push notifications is fully automated, truly freeing your hands. Now that we understand the overall architecture, let us see how to implement it specifically. First, we need to set up a timer trigger node. This node is the starting point of the entire system, ensuring the analysis process starts automatically at fixed time intervals, guaranteeing high frequency and timeliness of analysis. Then we deploy 3 market info nodes to obtain data from 3 different time dimensions: 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 1 day. Select Get K-line data for the operation. Choose the default exchange we set. Select the trading contract based on external parameters. Here we use expressions to get the configured trading contract. Select the periods we need for each period. And each node gets 200 K-lines, which is sufficient for technical analysis. We use external variables to store trading contracts, making it easy to switch analysis targets. After obtaining raw data, we need to standardize the K-line data for each time frame. Set up a code node and write code. Results from the previous step between nodes can be dragged over like this. We add timeframe identifiers to data for each time frame, unify data structure, and ensure consistency in data flow. 15-minute data is marked as 15M, 1-hour data as 1H, and daily data as 1D. Then use a merge node, select append, set input quantity to 3, and merge data from 3 timeframes in sequence. Next, continue adding a code node to collect standardized data from each timeframe into the all candles array by iterating through all merge data items. The role of this aggregation node is to merge K-line data from 3 timeframes into a single data package, outputting a unified JSON structure containing complete K-line information, providing a complete technical data foundation for subsequent AI comprehensive analysis. Now let us build the sentiment analysis layer. First, deploy an HTTP request node, select Get for Request method, and connect to News API to get the latest cryptocurrency news. If authentication is required for the website, you can add it here. Then set specified query parameters. We set it to search for news containing keywords like crypto, Bitcoin, CoinDesk, etc., with time range set to the last 3 days to ensure we get the latest information. Then, in the request headers, you need to fill in the API key, which needs to be applied for on the website. This way, we get the latest crypto news. After obtaining news data, we write code to extract only the title and description fields, removing redundant information like images and links, preparing clean text data for subsequent AI analysis. Next is the key AI sentiment analysis node. We use AI agent. Let us see how to set it up specifically. Click Chat Model, click Create New Credentials, and fill in the completed API key and base URL. After the credentials are successfully set up, you can select the large model for sentiment analysis. In the instructions, we designed a special prompt to analyze cryptocurrency market sentiment. This AI analyzer will analyze from 2 dimensions: short-term sentiment assessment for immediate market reactions and recent news impact, long-term sentiment assessment for overall market outlook and fundamental factors. Each dimension will provide positive, neutral, or negative classification, along with a numerical score between -1 and 1, and provide detailed analysis reasoning. Now we need to integrate K-line data with sentiment analysis results. The data integration node merges technical data and sentiment analysis results, preparing a complete data package for comprehensive AI analysis. Here we need a code node to intelligently merge the two pieces of data from technical K-lines and sentiment analysis. Then we deploy a comprehensive technical analysis AI node, which is the core brain of the entire system. It will integrate technical data and sentiment analysis, conduct multi-timeframe comprehensive analysis, and provide both spot and leverage trading recommendations. In this instruction, we set the AI analysis engine to generate professional trading analysis reports, including date and time, spot recommendations, and leverage recommendations. Each recommendation includes specific operation direction, entry price, stop loss, target price, and concise analysis reasoning. The output format uses Telegram HTML style to ensure good readability when pushed. The last step is the intelligent push system. Since analysis reports might be quite long, we need a content splitting node. This node will intelligently identify the leverage recommendation keyword for content splitting, automatically clean markdown symbols, ensuring each message complies with Telegram's length limit. Then through the Telegram push node, analysis reports are pushed in real time to specified groups or channels. The chat ID here needs to be configured and obtained from Telegram. SendText supports HTML format, maintaining the beautiful format of analysis reports. Let us look at the actual operation results of this system. The timer trigger starts a complete analysis process. At fixed intervals, the system automatically obtains market data and news information. AI conducts comprehensive analysis, generates professional trading recommendations, then automatically pushes to Telegram. The entire process is fully automated, like having a professional analyst working for you 24 hours. This is our self-built analysis channel. If you want to go further, you can also add automated trading functions on this basis. For example, trading API nodes execute trading operations based on recommendations, risk control plugins, set position management, etc. You just need to add trading decision judgment and trading execution branches after the AI analysis node to achieve a fully automated trading system. Through this breakdown, we discovered that those seemingly profound market analyses are actually based on such a standardized data processing workflow. Data sources are transparent, just news API plus market data. Analysis logic is clear, AI models plus standardized prompts. Technical barrier is very low, just drag and drop nodes to build. Cost is extremely cheap. A few API call fees are far lower than paid subscriptions. We do not need to blindly follow any influencers, nor do we need to pay for so-called insider information. The FMZ quantitative platform makes complex technical analysis accessible, and ordinary people can completely build their own analysis system. Rather than being someone else's fan, become the master of your own investment decisions.